Welcome to Virginia.
Now we are in Virginia. So half of it is West Virginia. Now that I have lowered the landing gear and pulled the airlines off, I'm going to release the trailer from the kingpin and then wait for the repair shop to come and pick it up and fix or find out what the problem is for the that air leak in the rear axle. So hopefully that will get done quickly because I have to go to South Carolina. I'm in North Carolina, Charlotte, but I only have to travel 100 miles to get to that destination and pick up another trailer that's loaded and then take that trailer to Mississippi, right next to Memphis, and it's right on the borderline, and then drop that trailer there, pick up another trailer and then take it over to my yard and hopefully get done by tomorrow evening, if not early Saturday morning. All right, so gotta get going. Okay, so the last touch is just put in this out of service. Okay, so I don't have to wait for that trailer that I was hooked up to be repaired. I can take off. I found another trailer that I just hooked up to, and I'm gonna go. And that's good news. But one thing that I don't like about over here is that it's only 80, the high's gonna be 89. I don't know how hot it is right at this moment, but just walking from my truck to the repair shop, oh my god, it's hot. I mean, well, it's humid. My face was just pouring with sweat, my neck. So anyway, I have the AC on full blast trying to cool off right now, and drinking some of this lemonade, or not lemonade, but it's watermelon. Okay, so I just unhooked from the trailer and I'm driving to the other one. Then go to the office and finish signing in, and then it'll give you your paperwork. But I like to check everything. Oh, this is not going to be heavy because it looks low. You know, I don't want to hook up to it and it's the wrong trailer, but I like to check the still number against the paperwork and all of that. Anyway, okay, so I just hooked to it. I'm pulling it. It's hooked. It's locked in, so that's good. And I'm going to do that, and we're going to do a pre-trip. Okay, so it's all the same thing. Hooking the number. You have 3 lines that you have to hook the number. It's all color coordinated. I don't know if you see it, but that's the blue line. This is the red line. And this one's very obvious. Right here, it just goes straight into this right here. So that's all I'm doing. They look like I'm unhooking, and they all look the same to you guys, but it's not. One of the things you gotta look for is make sure these right here, little rubber seals, are always in good condition. Because they can affect the joy, and you'll have to stop it. It's good to carry some on hand. Just place them yourself and not have to worry about getting it straight. Now, wow. Oh no, I can't even go back here. Look at, I'm not stepping back here. There's no seal on it. I didn't bring my hammer, but these sound pretty solid. I don't hear any air back here. No air leaks. Let's check underneath and make sure that the kingpin has locked in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, can you guys see that? Where's the camera at? I don't know if you guys see it. It's that bright piece right there. That means it's locked in. Okay, so I'm pulling the truck up so I can open up the back door just to make sure that it's loaded, and there's no seal on it, so obviously they'll give me one once I check in. You know what, I'll just pull it over here. Get out of the way. I already checked the tires in the back on the other side. I must have hit a button and the camera went off, so I didn't want to start it over again. I'm wasting time doing this, and I want to really get out of here so I can hit that road and get as far as I can before rush hour starts. Once that starts, we're getting nowhere really quickly. Alright. Just gonna check this real quick. It's loaded.